Today's lesson is reading words with long I. Long I makes the I sound, as in ice cream. And today's words are in a CVCV pattern. The C stands for consonant, the V stands for vowel, the C is consonant, and the V is vowel. So for example, the letters R, I, D, E spell the word ride. Those letters are in a consonant-vowel pattern. The R is a consonant, the I is a vowel, the D is a consonant, and the E is a vowel. Remember that we have 26 letters of the alphabet. Those letters are divided into two main categories, vowels and consonants, and today's lesson is focusing on vowels. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Vowels are special because they just don't make one sound. They really can do three things. They can make a short vowel sound, they can make a long vowel sound, and sometimes they can make no sound at all depending upon where they're in a word. I just like to say they make three sounds, short, long, and no sound depending upon where they are, and now we just call those silent letters. Our focus today is on the letter I, and that could be upper or lower case. So I makes a short vowel sound, which is the igloo, the I in igloo. I can also make a long vowel sound, as in the word ice cream, the I in ice cream, so I. So if we remember that I is short and long, let's put some letters with the I to make some words. So for example, R-I-D. How you would read this word is that the R is the as in rocket, I is the sound as in igloo, D is D as in dog. So our word would be rid, like to get rid of something. Rid. That would be our short I sound. Not our long I, but short. Now the question is, why? How do we know when we use short and long? Well, there's a rule for that. Vowels are short when there is only one vowel. So for example, the R is a consonant, the D is a consonant, but that I in the middle, that's a vowel. That's only one vowel in that word, so the rule is that's going to be short. So in this case, the I is not long. It's going to be the short sound, the I sound, as in igloo. Why? Because it's only one vowel, and when there's one vowel, it's going to be short. Now, if we added to that same word the letter E, we now have a consonant-vowel pattern. And you'll notice that we don't have one vowel, but we have two. And there's a rule for that also. When you have two vowels, the first vowel is going to be long. Well, our first vowel is the letter I. Not going to be short this time like last time. It's going to be the I as in ice cream. The second vowel, which is our E, is silent. Silent means that we see the E, but we do not make a sound when we read the word. So this word would read I-D. Ride. Like to ride your bicycle. Ride. W-I-D-E. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. And the main thing is we're seeing two vowels. And with two vowels, the first is going to be long. That's going to be the I sound. The second vowel, which is our E, is silent, meaning that we see it, but we do not make a sound. When we put our letter sounds together, wide, like a really wide road. H-I-D-E. We're seeing two vowels, so our two vowel rule is that the first is our long vowel I, our second is going to be silent. When we put our sounds together, hide, like to hide in a box. Hide. L-I-K-E. We're seeing two vowels, so that's going to be the rule with two vowels is the first is long I. Our second vowel, E, is silent, so when we say the letter sounds, like to like something. Like. B-I-K-E. We're seeing two vowels. Our first is long, second is silent. B-ike. Bike, like a bicycle. Bike. M-I-K-E. Two vowels, and so we know that the first is long. The rule is the second is silent, so we get our letter sounds. Mike. Like a guy named Mike. Mike. B-I-T-E. How many vowels we seeing? We got two, right? Going to be long and silent. When we put our sounds together now, bite. Like to take a bite of some chicken. Bite. K-I-T-E. We see the two vowels, so we know the first is going to be long, the second vowel is going to be silent, and when we put our sounds together, kite. Like to fly a kite. S-I-T-E. Right? Two vowels. So first is long, second is silent. Put your sounds together. Site. Like a campsite. Site. T-I-M-E. I'm seeing two vowels. The first is long, so right, I sound. The second, we don't hear it silent. The other sounds are going to be I'm. Time. Like to tell time. D-I-M-E. I'm seeing two vowels. The first is long, the second is silent. And when we put our sounds together, dime. Like some money. Dime. Let's review long I. We said that it could be short sound, a long I sound, or even silent. And vowels are short when there's only one vowel. So for example, R-I-D, that's only one vowel in the middle there. And the rule is it's going to be short. So it would be the I, igloo for one vowel. Rid. But if there's two vowels, we said the first vowel is long and the second is silent. For example, R-I-D-E, we have two vowels. The first is long, which is going to be the I. The second is silent, meaning we see it, but we don't hear it. Ride. Let's review our long I words that we learned today. Ride, wide, hide, like, bike, mike, bite, kite, sight, time, dime. Let's try it again, but you do it this time without me. Okay, let's try them together. Ride, wide, hide, like, bike, mike, bite, kite, sight, time, dime. Nice work today if you made it this far. Practice some of the other skills on my site. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.